In March 2024, a life-changing accident rocked the heart of Laura Family Farms, one of Hamilton County, Nebraska's most prominent family-run operations. The incident occurred at the farm's equipment repair facility, where Cale Carlson, the technical backbone of the operation, was seriously injured by a combine harvester. The accident left Cale with severe physical injuries, long-term disability, and a long road to recovery. With the spring planting season approaching, the entire farm's operations were thrown into chaos. The Wilson family, led by Laura Wilson, had to step in to manage the farm, all while dealing with the unexpected blow to production and personnel. The family's legacy of over 100 years of farming tradition was suddenly placed under immense pressure, and their resilience would soon be tested like never before. Taking control, Laura's leadership in crisis. The accident created a significant disruption at Laura Family Farms, with the farm's intricate operations and production now at risk. Laura Wilson, along with her husband Grant, immediately assumed responsibility for overseeing every aspect of the farm, including the land left by her father and grandfather. This meant not only managing the 2,000-acre farm, but also ensuring that the operations from leased land and cooperative agreements with local partners continued as smoothly as possible. By May 2024, Laura reported that early yields were down by more than 18% compared to the same period in 2023. The technical disruptions had affected everything from seed supply contracts to product distribution. However, Laura's quick thinking and hands-on approach allowed the farm to continue through the most challenging period in its history, solidifying her role as a leader under pressure. A call for change, safety, and systemic reevaluation. The unexpected crisis forced Laura Wilson to reassess the farm's entire organizational structure. At the Midwest Agricultural Conference in June 2024, Laura shared the challenges of running a farm under such pressure, acknowledging the risks that come with high-tech machinery in large-scale agriculture. She emphasized that incidents like the one at Laura Family Farms were not isolated, but indicative of a wider issue in the industry: lack of consistent safety standards and maintenance practices. Laura's speech was a wake-up call, urging the agricultural community to embrace stronger safety protocols to safeguard workers and operations. It was clear that changes needed to be made, not only for the well-being of workers, but to ensure the continued survival of family farms like Laura's in the modern, mechanized agricultural world. Rebuilding and adapting. A new era for Laura Family Farms. In the aftermath of the accident, Laura Family Farms shifted its operational model to better adapt to the evolving demands of modern agriculture. One of the major changes was increasing reliance on independent contractors for equipment maintenance and mechanical work, rather than having family members directly manage these responsibilities. This move helped relieve some of the burden from the family while ensuring that farm operations could continue smoothly. Alongside these changes, a series of internal training programs were introduced, focusing on occupational safety, emergency procedures, and routine equipment maintenance. Laura's focus on both safety and efficiency marked a new era for the family farm, and it highlighted the resilience of the Wilson family in overcoming adversity. The legacy of Carlson Farms, a multi-generational story. Carlson Farms, the foundation of Laura's agricultural journey, was founded in 1910 by Laura's great-grandfather, a Swedish immigrant. The farm started small but eventually grew to span over 2,000 acres, combining the production of corn, soybeans, cattle, and poultry with cutting-edge mechanized farming techniques. The Carlson family has been integral to the agricultural community in Nebraska, and each generation has contributed to its growth and success. Laura, the oldest of 5 children, learned the ropes of farm life from an early age, managing her own herd of cattle at the age of 13. With this hands-on approach, Laura gained the skills and mindset necessary to take over the farm and its operations, ultimately leading to her position as a pivotal figure in the family's ongoing success. Laura's transition from student to farm manager. After graduating from Nebraska Christian schools, Laura Wilson pursued a business administration degree at Southeast Community College, later attending the University of Nebraska-Lincoln to further her studies. However, in 2020, Laura decided to take a break from her academic journey to focus on growing the family farm and expanding her agricultural business. At this time, the Wilson family was also beginning the process of transitioning leadership responsibilities to Laura. As part of the multi-year succession plan, Laura took on greater responsibility for managing specific areas of the farm, including overseeing 160 acres of leased land equipped with advanced irrigation and soil treatment systems. This portion of the farm was also used as a demonstration unit for cutting-edge agricultural techniques, allowing Laura to play a key role in both farm management and public education efforts. Modernizing tradition. The rise of Laura Wilson as a farming influencer. By 2020, Laura Wilson was already making waves in the agricultural community with her media presence. As the digital era reshaped the farming industry, Laura embraced social media and other platforms to share her experiences and expertise with a broad audience. She founded Laura Farms in April 2020, a platform dedicated to educating the public about corn and soybean farming, the use of farm machinery, and modern farming techniques. In just a year, Laura's platform gained hundreds of thousands of followers, particularly from agricultural states like Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, and Ohio. By the end of 2023, her total views across all platforms reached nearly 1 billion, solidifying her position as one of the most influential voices in modern agriculture. Bridging the gap, connecting traditional farming and the digital age. Laura's success as an agri-media influencer can be attributed to her ability to blend traditional farming practices with the demands of the digital age. Her farm's operations serve as both a production unit and an educational resource, where followers gain insight into the real-world practices of a family farm. Laura's content is accessible, breaking down complex agricultural topics into easy-to-understand formats for both seasoned farmers and those with no farming background. This ability to simplify the technical aspects of farming has resonated with a broad audience, especially those in the 25 to 44 age range who are managing their own farms or looking to enter the industry. Laura's platform also provides an additional income stream for the farm while fostering community engagement and supporting agricultural education initiatives. Championing agriculture. Laura's influence on education and advocacy. As Laura's influence grew, she began using her platform to support agricultural education at a local and state level. She consulted with community colleges in Nebraska, hosted webinars for regional youth farmer groups, and became an informal advisor for several agricultural training programs. Her ability to translate farm life into accessible content has made her a sought-after speaker at regional agricultural fairs, including Husker Harvest Days, where she shares her experiences with transitioning a farm to a digital model. In addition to her educational outreach, Laura became the spokesperson for several agricultural campaigns, including a digital communications program with Pioneer Seeds. Through these efforts, Laura Wilson has established herself as a leader in both the agricultural and media spaces, shaping the future of farming. Resilience in the face of crisis, the Laura Wilson family legacy. The Wilson family's ability to adapt to crisis is a testament to the strength and resilience of their multi-generational farming operation. The sudden injury of Cale Carlson, the patriarch of the family, in early 2024 could have been catastrophic for Laura Family Farms. However, with the support of close family ties and a strong foundation built over generations, the farm was able to weather the storm. Grant Wilson, Laura's husband, stepped in to manage crop cultivation and quality control, while Laura's siblings returned to help maintain farm operations. Megan Nelson Carlson, Laura's mother, also played a key role in managing the day-to-day logistics of the farm. The close-knit nature of the Wilson family and their unwavering commitment to each other ensured that the farm would continue despite the unexpected challenges they faced. Looking ahead, a bright future for Laura Family Farms. The challenges faced by Laura Family Farms in 2024 were undeniably difficult, but they also provided an opportunity for growth and renewal. Laura Wilson's leadership, combined with the support of her family, has helped the farm navigate one of its most trying periods. The incident forced the Wilson family to reevaluate their operations, prioritize safety, and embrace new methods of maintaining efficiency in a rapidly evolving industry. As they look ahead, the future of Laura Family Farms remains bright, with Laura Wilson at the forefront of innovation in the agricultural world. The family's legacy is built on tradition, hard work, and a deep commitment to the land, and these values will continue to guide them for generations to come.